Ta drum drum ta drum ta dhalam ko tak tak ko da da da.
Hi, Konkani Chilios are here today with a breakfast dish using potatoes. Batata or potatoes are Konkani's favorite vegetable that you can't complete a Konkani meal without batata. So today we are preparing batata roti in simple and easy steps. So take medium sized 3 or 4 potatoes, wash them thoroughly and boil in cooker. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients. For the chapati dough we need atta, salt, water and oil or ghee for fry. So let's now prepare a roti dough. For that take 1.5 cups of wheat flour or atta. Add salt according to your taste and mix them gently with hands, adding water occasionally. The roti dough should be thick and tight, and set it aside for 10 minutes till we prepare our stuffing. So our boiled and peeled potatoes are ready. We'll prepare the stuffing for the roti now. So mash the boiled potatoes well, and now we need to add the spices. So for the spices, take half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon jeera, 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies, a small piece of ginger finely chopped, half teaspoon chili powder. You can even add onions and garlic here, but since this is a sattvic food, we are not adding it here. Add salt according to your taste. Now mix all these together very well so that the potatoes and the spices are blended together perfectly. So our stuffing is now ready. The roti dough is also ready now. So make small balls and then flatten these into medium sized rotis. Take small amount of stuffing and place it at the center of the roti. Now fold all the sides together so that the stuffing is completely covered. Fold it tight so that the stuffing is secure. Now roll these gently into medium sized rotis. Dust it with some dry flour and roll them again. So the roti is ready now. Heat a tawa and brush some ghee on it. Ghee has a tasty flavor and it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it also moisturizes your skin. So place the roti on the pan and roast it on both sides, applying ghee occasionally. Roast it till it is golden brown and fluffy. Our hot batata roti is ready now. You can have it with some fresh butter on top and also with some coconut chutney. Please do try our recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Please do try our